Thanks for joining us. I'm David Horrigan, Legal Content Director and eDiscovery Counsel at K-Cura, and I'm really happy to be back here at my alma mater, the University of Florida Levin College of Law. And I'm starting off this morning with Sandra Serkes, one of the preeminent legal experts in eDiscovery. Sandy, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and how you got into eDiscovery?
Sure. I'm the President, CEO, and founder of Valora Technologies, and I've been in eDiscovery now coming up on 16 years, and I'm in it completely by accident.
Aren't we all?
I'm not an attorney. I've never been to law school, but I think a lot of people would consider me an expert, and I fell into it because we're a technology company that does a lot of document data mining and analytics. And when we were going for a patent on our technology, our law firm turned around and said, could we borrow that?
Yeah, there you go, great.
And all of a sudden we were in the e-discovery world overnight. So that's how I got in.
That's excellent. And what's your panel today here at the conference?
I am on the TAR panel about something about TAR being available to everybody, not just the largest cases.
Sure. For our viewers out there, we're not talking about the La Brea tar pits or anything like that. We're talking about technology-assisted review. And there have been lots of draconian predictions about what TAR is going to do. Headlines such as, you've heard them all, why hire a lawyer? Computers are cheaper, and are computers taking over the practice of law? How do you reassure your clients that it's technology and humans working together?
It's a good question because I don't have a legal background, so I'm a little more on the we're going to take over the universe side. But no, I mean, you're right. There's absolutely a rule for legal expertise on two levels. There's understanding the law, because technology needs to be guided by expertise. So there's legal knowledge, and then there's sort of subject matter knowledge about whatever the case is, whether it's an IP matter or an employment matter. There has to be knowledge about the actual case. And that knowledge is going to come from people. Rote machine algorithms are what the machine's going to do. So those have to work together in tandem.
Sure. We've just heard Craig Ball kick off the conference with a discussion about Luddite lawyers, how we don't know technologies, this, that, and the other. Do you see among your clients that they're getting a better grasp of technology with younger generations? Or lawyers getting better? Is it changing, or do we still have the problem Craig discussed?
Actually, I think it really is changing. Certainly the clients that we've seen over the past 15 years, they are much more comfortable with technology as a concept, and they're comfortable with technology as a tool to getting their job done. I don't usually have to go in and explain anymore what the technology is. It's more, the discussion's more about how to apply it to their workflow or something like that.
Sure. Now on the panel today, how are you going to address TAR?
Me personally?
You personally.
Well, I'm going to talk about a lot of the newer capabilities that are out there that take things much further, like doing automated issue categorization, or taking further steps upon analysis of a document, like issuing notifications or causing documents to move to different places. There's a lot of sophisticated workflow that comes out of analytics that people are just scratching the surface of in practice.
Sure. Now, I called you a legal expert when we started off, and I think you are, because you're around eDiscovery so much you have to know this stuff. When your clients are trying to present technology-assisted review to courts, are they getting a warmer reception? Judge Peg famously has said in Rio Tinto that, it's black letter law now, you can use it if you want.
Right.
Are your clients having that same experience in courts outside Judge Peck's domain?
It's improving. I wouldn't say it's a slam dunk. We've seen success in Massachusetts, where we're based. Texas has been good, California. Not everywhere, of course, universally, and it's not so much educating the judge. I think it's just getting everybody comfortable with the notion that technology is going to play a key role, and then documenting what that's going to be so that everybody can point to it and say, this is what we've agreed upon.
Great, excellent. Well, Sandy, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We really appreciate it, and we're looking forward to your session this afternoon.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.